everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Siri. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well. As please don't forget to press the bell icon. So today I'm going to make pan fried eggplant. So let's start. So now this is the ingredients that I'm going to use. This is your gram flour and salt, cumin and coriander powder, ginger and garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, some oil and eggplant. So what I did was cut it like this in a round shape, and thickness is a 1/2 inch. So now I'm going to sprinkle some salt on top of it, and then you can just mix here like this. So now I'm going to make a batter. So I'm going to put salt, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and ground flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of ginger and cumin and coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, and 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. So I'm going to make a batter, and now just put in a little bit of water at a time and do it slowly. Okay, so batter looks like this. So now I'm going to heat the pan. Okay, the pan is hot. I'm going to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So now I'm going to dip the eggplant in a batter like this, and then I'm going to put it. So I'm going to leave this for 3 to 4 minutes, and flame should be in a medium heat. It's been 3 minutes. Now I'm going to flip it. And leave it to cook for another. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. It's cooked and it's ready to serve. So I'm going to put it on a kitchen towel. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. You can serve with a chutney or tomato ketchup, whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and you can comment it as well. And as you can see all the ingredients that I use in this recipe inside the description box. Thank you for your time, and see you next time. Bye bye.